Dear students, today we will learn about an interesting chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. So the topic name is The Adventures of Toto, and this story has been narrated or written by Ruskin Bond. He is a renewable and popular writer. He has written a number of writing pieces. Okay, so this story is a very interesting story, very much interesting story, and this story talks about the mischievous pet monkey. Okay, so this story talks about a mischievous pet monkey, and that monkey name is Toto. T-O-T-O, Toto. That's why here the topic name is The Adventures of Toto. Okay, so the experience of Toto that the grandfather, the narrator's grandfather, means Ruskin Bond's the grandfather, will have is very much amazing. Okay, and that unforgettable. Okay, so very mischievous that monkey was actually. Okay, so the narrator's grandfather always loved animals. So narrator's grandfather means the writer's grandfather. Writer Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond's grandfather always loved animals. Okay. There are also some people they always love animals. So what this grandfather of narrator what he did? So he brought home Toto. Who is Toto? Now Toto is a pet monkey. Toto is a pet monkey. Okay, so from where he brought it from a Tonga driver, because that Tonga driver was very much disturbed by this pet monkey. So the grandfather once happened to see that, and he brought it home in rupees of 5. So grandfather of Ruskin Bond bought a pet monkey in worth of 5 rupees. Okay, in worth of 5 rupees. And he called this pet monkey as Toto. So the name of the pet monkey was Toto. Though grandfather had a private zoo. So he had a private zoo and there were many animals in the private zoo of the narrator's grandfather. But still Toto was kept secretly by the grandfather. Why? Because the secret presence. Why? Because the grandmother of Ruskin Bond never liked the animals. So whenever the grandfather of Ruskin Bond used to bring any animal at home, so grandmother of Ruskin Bond used to get angry and used to scold the grandfather. She never liked any animals, especially the naughty animals such as Toto. So the grandfather thought that this one she will get angry. So what he did, he kept the Toto in secret. So where he kept, he did not keep in a private zoo where other animals were there. So where he kept in a little closet. Okay, of grandfather. Then what happened? Once grandfather of narrator means Ruskin Bond wanted to travel to Saharanpur for what? To collect his pension में जो पैसा मिलता है वो पैसा कलेक्ट करने के लिए वो जा रहा था सहारनपुर. Okay, so he thought of that a small animal, pet and monkey, Toto, I will carry, because I will not keep this Toto at home because people here don't like animals and I really love this, so I will carry it. Where should I leave this one? Okay, then what he did, he put the pet monkey means this Toto in a big black canvas bag. Okay, and inside that he put Toto, that means the pet monkey, and he was traveling to Saharanpur to collect his pension. कौन है his? The grandfather. Okay, good. But as he was traveling at the station of Saharanpur, ticket collector stopped grandfather and accused this Toto as dog and charged some rupees of money, charged some amount. Okay, charge also some amount, said that you have to pay for this. Okay, because you are not allowed to carry any animals and you have to charge, I will charge it and you have to pay for this. So then at the station of Saharanpur, what grandfather did? Grandfather also paid some charges, some amount of money for Toto. Okay, so Toto was in the back, black canvas, its back, and it was jumping and jumping. It was making a lot of fun there. Okay. At the finally when he returned home after collecting his pension, okay, then the presence of Toto was accepted. Grandfather came to know there is a pet monkey, and they came to know all they came to know, and they accepted the presence of Toto, a pet monkey. Then grandfather thought that since she means grandmother already accepted the presence of Toto, so I keep Toto in the stable, जहाँ पे दूसरा animal भी रहता है stable. Okay, so he kept the Toto in the stable with Nana. नाना के साथ. ये नाना कौन है? अभी स्टूडेंट बहुत कंफ्यूज हो रहा है, सर नाना कौन है? नाना इज द डोंकी. ओके, वहां पे एक डोंकी भी था, डोंकी का नाम था क्या है? नाना. नाना, N-A-N-A, Nana. But when Toto was kept with Nana in the stable, Toto used to tease Nana. Toto is a pet monkey and Nana is a donkey. Okay, so Toto used to tease Nana and torture Nana. Okay, you know monkey what do ऐसे कैसे करते रहता है ना. So Nana was very much disturbed. Nana was tortured. Nana was very much troubled by Toto, the pet monkey. So as a result, what happened? They never became friends. कौन? ना Toto and Nana. They never became friends. Never became friends. They never became friends. कौन friends नहीं बनाया अब तक? Nana and Toto. Who never became friends? Nana and Toto. Okay. Then what happened? One more incident. Raskin Bond is sharing. Okay. So what is sharing? That once in winter season it was, and you know, in winter season, Toto used to have bath in warm water. So Toto used to take bath in warm water. Many of us also take bath in warm water in the winter season. So Toto is also very luxurious here. So Toto used to take bath in warm water. So when nobody was there in the family, okay, what happened that time? In the kettle, they put some water, okay, and they put it on the stove, and they were making some tea for the families. And they went little out, and nobody was there at that moment. So what happened? They were making some warm water or tea. They were making tea, okay, in the kettle on the stove. So stove was burning. Okay, the heavy flame was coming out. Okay, and at that time nobody was there. What happened? Toto thought of that it is the warm water, and for his bath, okay, for the bath they are making warm water. What Toto did? Toto climbed in. Okay, kettle के ऊपर चढ़ गया. उसके बाद kept hopping in. Okay, so he was getting inside the warm water and again coming out. Getting inside the warm water again coming out. Okay, he was in and out. Okay, when he was getting inside the warm water, stove is burning in this side and ऊपर में वो बैठा हुआ है केटल के अंदर. ठीक, तो जब पानी गर्म हो रहा है तो उसके गर्म लग रहा है तो बाहर निकल आ रहा है. तो बाहर तो ठंडी, विंटर सीजन, देन ठंडी लग रहा है, फिर गर्म पानी के अंदर छुप रहा है. Okay, then kept in, and then when finally the grandmother reached there, she took it out and it was barely alive. means almost not at all. Okay, somehow it was surviving. Okay, so this Toto is actually very much mischievous, very mischievous. Okay, then what happened? To characterize Toto, Raskin. So Raskin Bond is giving us a lesson, a very interesting lesson, and he is finally highlighting about the characteristics of Toto. You see, the characteristics of Toto is classified here. The characteristics of Toto, the narrator has explained that the Toto was very good in tearing clothes, breaking plates and other utensils, and so on. So on, etc. So Toto, what the Toto used to do? Toto used to tear the clothes वगैरह फाड़ देता था, और जो utensils, जो plates रहते थे उसको क्या करता था वो? He used to break it. Okay, तोड़ देता था सब. So this is how the Toto was actually harassing everyone. This is how the Toto was dominating. This is how the Toto was traveling everyone's life. Okay. Their grandfather thought about that. It is going to be a great loss. Every day this amount of loss. Okay. So the loss of the family, loss in the family, they could not tolerate. Okay. They could not tolerate. Who could not tolerate? Grandfather, grandmother and other family members. They could not tolerate. How long they will tolerate? Toto इतना परेशान कर रहा था. Okay. Then what happened? Then the grandfather thought about that, taken a decision. क्या decision लिया ना? This pet monkey, his name is Toto. I will sell it to Tonga driver. Again back to the Tonga driver. So what happened? So grandfather sold Toto back to him. Him मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? The Tonga driver in ₹3 and heaved a sigh of relief. Okay. So and heaved a sigh of relief का मतलब है बाँच गया हम, सांस लिया, एक लंबा सांस लेना है और कोई चीज से रिलीफ हो जाना है, एकदम फ्री हो जाना है. So he bought the Toto in ₹5. He was so much troubled that he sold the Toto in ₹3. Who? The grandfather. Okay. So dear students, this is all about the key points, the gists of the story, the adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. Now few important question answers, though very important question answers I will discuss with you. So who is the writer of the Adventures of Toto? The writer of the Adventures of Toto is Ruskin Bond. Okay. Then what is the name of the pet monkey? The name of the pet monkey is Toto. Toto was bought in how much price? Toto was bought in ₹5. Okay. And the Toto was sold in ₹3. Then Toto, who sold the Toto to whom? The Tonga driver. First the Tonga driver sold the Toto to grandfather, okay, grandfather of narrator, and finally the grandfather sold the Toto to Tonga driver in cost of ₹3. Okay. Then what happened? Why grandmother, okay, never like this one pet dog, pet monkey Toto? Because grandmother never like any animals. Okay. Who is Nana? Nana is the donkey at the zoo of grandfather. Okay. Why Nana and Toto never became friends? Toto used to tease Nana, so that's why Nana and Toto never became friends. Okay. What is the name of the donkey? The donkey name is Nana. Okay. Then what happened? This one. Why the grandfather sold back Toto to the Tonga driver? Because grandfather and his family members all were very troubled. Okay, very much harassed by the Toto. Okay, the pet monkey, and it was a great loss in their family. That's why they sold back. The grandfather sold back Toto to the Tonga driver. Okay. One more question is here from they ask here. Why did grandfather travel to Saharanpur? The grandfather of the narrator's grandfather traveled to Saharanpur to collect his pension. Then what happened there? As he was traveling at the station of Saharanpur, the ticket collector paused him, stopped him, and charged some amount of money for carrying the animal. Okay, so that's all about, dear students. Stay tuned and continue to learn. Okay, I hope this chapter is very interesting and is very clear to you. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned and continue to read your book, continue to learn, stay happy, keep smiling.